Hello and welcome to our booth. We are FastSense team developing software and hardware computing solutions for mobile robotic applications. Today we are announcing FastSense X Robotics AI platform, which is a powerful onboard computer bringing scalable AGI capabilities to mobile robotics. It is based on COM-Express module with Intel CPU, set of AGI accelerators to inference several neural networks on board in real time, and has numerous input-output interfaces to robotic sensors and actuators. All accelerators are connected by PCI Express interface and can be scaled depending on the task. Right now we are offering an assembled computer with Congatec MA5 COM-Express module with Intel Atom CPU, 2 VPU Myriad X devices from Intel, and 3 HTPU Coral devices from Google. Thus, we combine benefits from different AI technologies in one compact device. We ship this computer as a turnkey and ready-to-use device, and we add software examples of ROS algorithms with integrated neural nets that could be used for robotic applications. We are giving you the brain power for your mobile robotic systems. Today, FastSense X outperforms most of existing well-known systems in processing data from multiple sources in parallel with different AI algorithms. None of today's solutions allow you to combine processing power of various AI chips together. In this demo, you can see 2 cameras connected to our computer, each video stream being processed by 3 different neural networks, total of 6 nets. Object detection, semantic segmentation, as well as person re-identification. All these networks are running in parallel on 5 different AGI devices in real time. Our second demo features a wheeled robot being controlled by FastSense X, where semantic segmentation and person detection run on the AGI device and robot is following the selected person. So, there are 3 nets launched and other 3 nets can be added to enhance robot capabilities, for example to recognize voice, estimate depths and detect human emotions. More details about our demos can be found on our website. We have released ROS-based neural nets inferencing examples to open source to simplify the process of AGI integration into your particular software. Please visit our presentation on the embedded world and feel free to contact me directly should you have any questions.